Yeah, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashraf and I am working as a QA lead and I am here you to help to kick start your career in manual testing or software field. If you are wondering how to get started and what is manual testing and what are the career opportunity in manual testing, so this video is right for you. Okay, so in this video basically I am going to cover what is manual testing, why you can choose manual testing as a career, and what are the basic concepts of manual testing, and what are the career opportunity in the manual testing, and what are the common challenges beginner faced in manual testing, and last but not least, like how much you can earn in manual testing. Okay, so let's understand or let's talk about what is manual testing. So if I talk about what is manual testing, so manual testing is basically like testing the application by using human effort, right? So not like automations. In manual testing, basically by the human effort we are testing or we are trying to find out the bug into the application. So if I talk about an example, right, so suppose we have many applications you can come across in your daily life, right? If I talk about like Amazon, Facebook, Flipkart and all, right? So what you have to do manually, you have to check like is there anything mismatch or any defect is there into the application. So basically manual testing, manually we are checking, or by the human effort we are checking the application, or we are trying out to find the bug into the application. Okay, so this is manual testing. This is very simple, okay, and I explain into the very simple language so you can understand easily. If you wanted to go in definition and also you can easily find out on internet or like YouTube also. Okay, second point is like why you can choose manual testing as a career, right guys? Because like you are wondering like why I'm choose like manual testing as a career, right? So guys, I'm going to tell you like manual testing is the like foundation of like software testing, right? Without manual testing any application can't be go with automation or any other like Jenkins jobs and all. You can't do without manual testing, right? Someone is going to write the test cases, only then like an automation tester can take that script and automate the test cases. So like if I talk, then like any AI or like automation script is not going to replace the manual testing job. So you have like high job security into the manual testing and a lot of opportunities there into the market, guy. So choose your career. Okay, if I talk about second point, so like entering into the like software industry, like manual testing is the right way to enter into the software field, because in manual testing there is no coding skill is required, right? So if you wanted to easily enter into the software field, then manual testing will be the right place for you to enter into the software field, right? And third point is like a lot of opportunities there into the market. You can go on naukri.com and find manual testing job, right? You can find thousands of jobs. So I can say a lot of like job is there into the market. And if I talk about fourth point, so in fourth point like it is very easy to learn, and like if you try to learn like 1 or 2 months, right, easily you can learn manual testing as skill and you can get the job. So like easy to learn also is there. So that's why you can choose manual testing as a career, and you can earn good money also, right? You can go search on like Glassdoor or any other like website where you can compare the salary. So you can easily find out like you can easily earn like 2 to 5 lakhs as a fresher if you are joining any industry, guys. So that's why you can choose manual testing as a career. Okay, if I talk about like third point, what is the basic concepts of manual testing? Okay guys, so if you are wanted to start your career in software testing or manual testing, right, so basically you should have knowledge about what is software, what are the like different terminology into the software, and after that like after knowing basic concept, what is SDLC, like what are the software development life cycle, what is software testing life cycle, right? After that you should knowledge about like what is test cases, how to write test cases, and what is test plan, and after that like you should knowledge about what is bug, how to report the bug, and what are the different types of testing we are performing into the manual testing. Like basically we are performing functional and non-functional testing. If I talk about functional, so like basically we are doing smoke testing, regression testing, sanity testing and all. And if I talk about like non-functional, so non-functional like we are doing performance testing, load testing, security testing and all. Okay, so don't worry, like this is my first video, but in next coming video I'm going to bring a lot of video on that one. So don't worry, like I'm going to bring a lot of video on that one. Okay, so these are the some basis concept. By learning that concept you can easily be the manual tester. Guys, if I talk about my 4 point, so 4th point is like tools and resources required for manual testing, right? Guys, if you are going to start your career into the manual testing or software testing, so obviously you need one tool, right? So if I talk about first tool, so first tool is very important and that is widely used into the software industry. That is like JIRA tool. So JIRA tool is used for like project management as well as like bug tracking tool, as well as we are using JIRA tool also for test case management also. So first tool you should learn like JIRA. Okay, apart from that one more tool is there which comes along with JIRA, that is Confluence. So basically like Confluence page we are using for like project management. So all the project related things we are writing in the Confluence page, right? Like if I talk about how many, like we are doing some test planning, right? So all the test planning we are writing on the Confluence page. Like if we have like software related requirement we are going to write, right? So we are writing on the Confluence page. So you can learn JIRA, and second one you can learn Confluence page. Okay, Confluence. And apart from that some other tool is also there which is like TestRail. TestRail is very important for like test case management. Basically like whatever the test you are going to write, either you can write into the Excel sheet or you can write into the TestRail. So you can learn TestRail, or you should if you have knowledge about like Excel, then it's very easy to use the TestRail. Okay, so you can learn these tools. And after that, like if I talk about my 5th point, what is the career opportunity you have as a manual tester? Okay, so guys, already I explained. So manual testing is the like entry point or turning point to enter into the software field. So if you have knowledge about manual testing, easily you can enter into the like software industry. Otherwise you need like coding skill if you wanted to go as a developer, if you wanted to go as a like automation tester, so at least you need coding skill or programming skill, then you can enter. But if you have knowledge about manual testing, without that one you can easily enter into the like software industry. So first point is that one. And apart from that, like if you join as a like manual tester, after that you can like grow as a like QA engineer, senior QA engineer. After some time or having more experience, you can become like test lead, you can manage a team. After that, like you can become test manager and all. Okay, apart from that, if you enhance your skill, you can become automation tester also. You can become like different career path you can choose into the software industry. Okay, if I talk about like my 6th point, what are the challenges faced by the beginner into the manual testing? So first challenges manual testing tester are basically facing while when they join any organization, like they are not able to understand the requirement, right? If we are going to test any application, right, so you should have knowledge about clear what we are going to test, how we have to test, and when we have to test, right? So if all these points you have to understand clearly, then you can easily write your like test cases. So first challenges faced by like understanding the requirement. So I will say like before, if you are going for interview, before that you can practice some demo project for manual testing. A lot of project is available on the internet, so you can go and read that one, understand the requirement. After that, like writing the test case effectively, right? If guys like for as a beginner, like we are facing, like we are not able to write our test cases effectively, right? If we will not write our test case effectively, so that is not going to help for our like project, or that is not going to help for our application. Or if any bug is find out at like customer end or at user end, so that is going like big challenges for that software industry, right? So you have to write effective test cases. You have to do a lot of practice. Okay, so if you are going for interview or before joining any like organization, you can practice a lot of writing test cases. Okay, then third challenges faced by beginner is like they are not able to like report the bug correctly. Okay, so suppose like if you are find out any bug and you are not explaining like what you have find, right? So developer is not going to understand your like bug and he is not going to like fix that bug, right? So this is one challenge. So like if you are find any bug, write your bug description and in detail, so like developer can reproduce that bug. Okay, you can practice that one and you can easily come across that one. So these are the some common challenges which is faced by new joiners or beginner when they are joining any organization. Okay, and last and most motivation point is like how much you can earn as a like manual tester. So if you are going to join any organization as a fresher, so you can easily earn like 2 to 5 lakhs. Apart from that, you can earn much as per your knowledge, your experiences, your hard work. After that, like you can earn a lot of money and you can do a lot of research there also. Okay, so guys, this is my first video. Obviously, like you can support me, and I'm going to bring a lot of topic related to like manual testing, automation testing, and I'm going to make video on different tools and techniques. To like and subscribe my channel because I'm going